Hey everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today is Monday, July 19th, 2021, and we're going to be taking another look at Blackberry stock. So before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, but Blackberry did have another red day today. So we ended the day at down 23 cents, just over 2%, about holding steady in the after hours so far. But if we look at today's chart, we could see we were just up and down all over the place. We didn't really get any good consolidation anywhere. But as most of you probably know, today was an abysmal day for the market. The market was down like 800 points. The Dow, the S&P was down like 1.8%. So it was just a bloodbath overall, a red day everywhere. And Blackberry and most other stocks were no exception. So, of note today, we did cross below that $10 resistance, or that we had been hoping would act as support for us, but we closed below it. If we look at the 5-day, and then even the 1 month, we could see again we're continuing that pattern of lower lows and lower highs, although we could see at the very end over here, it looks like we might be finding some support, or at least we're not necessarily crashing below that $10. It seems like the stock might be a bit uncomfortable below $10, so we'll see how that plays out. And looking at the 3-month, again, we had that massive spike in the beginning of June all the way up to above $20, but since then it's basically just been this pattern of lower lows and lower highs. So where do we go from here? Well, if we could reclaim this $10, then we'll be probably in a good position for a bounce, for a nice, potentially back into that $13.50 to $17 channel that we had been in for so long, just kind of bouncing around. Otherwise, as we could see, we might go all the way to $8, which, it's not ideal, but that was a good level of support that we had held for a long time in the past. So if we consolidated down there and then made another move up, that would be okay. But as we've said also, we really are just waiting for a catalyst. I mean, the whole market was down today, so Blackberry went down. If we could get news on some IP deals Blackberry's doing, or some new partnerships, that might be a great help. But until then, we're just being kind of tossed around with the rest of the market. So we'll see how the rest of the week plays out. But let me know what you think. Let me know if you're selling your Blackberry, buying more, holding, and I'll catch you in the next one.